we had a pretty tough slog, you know. Like we had some fast cars, and it was the weather that sort of hurt us because it knocked all our qualifying runs out. Like, you know, the amount of hits we've had now, you know, we should have been qualifying with like that hit there. So it made it tough, but you know, we've done ourselves proud and everyone proud, and yeah, we're just glad to be here and happy. I hate losing, but it's the way it is. It was a PB, yeah. We had, you know, we've chipped away at it every pass. Josh Ledford's been doing amazing as always, and the car's getting faster and faster, and we had really good speed on that one. We just, you know, like keep finding little things and keep changing, and it's going faster. So, you know, we had another 10 hits. I think the car's only got 7 or 8 radial hits on it. Fuck, give me 20, 30 hits. Who knows where it could be, you know? So, you know, that just shows when you got Proline, Fuel Tech, you know, a sponsor, Honey Kitchen King, you know, getting us here. You know, you surround yourself by the best people and good people around you that, you know, that want you to succeed and have fun. This is what can happen. So that's awesome. I appreciate everything everyone does. So never thought I'd be here. So I can't really say I'll never be at Lights Out, but we'll see. We'll see what's on the cards, and who knows? We you know, it could be there.
Aussie, Aussie.